Hey guys, if you like this look, stay tuned and I'll show you how I got this beautiful red on my brother. So what you're going to need is some BW2 bleach and some 20 volume. You're going to mix that up into a nice creamy paste and then you'll be ready to apply. So here is what I am working with. This is the canvas. Yes, beautiful and dark. And he just got a haircut, so as you can see, he got a little designed. And now I'm going to be starting right here. So what you're going to do here, you're going to leave out the circumference of the amount that you want to leave out to cover the color, because he gets his hair cut often and I'm going to do from the root up. But from the hairline and around, I'm going to leave out some to cover that part. And you guys can watch and see what I do. I do not like when it's too bright, so this is just right for me because he doesn't like his hair when it's like fire engine red. So keep it like a nice dirty blonde color. So yeah, guys, this is the finished look. Let me know what you think. Like, comment, and subscribe, honeys, and I'll be back with another video. Love you guys. Now my brother's looking fly.